In order to make this screen more interesting, we are going to make the reload button pulse. Therefore, it's time to dip our toes into animation. I will not explain too much about animation right now, because later on we are going to have a separate lesson about animating in Unity, and that should cover everything that you need to know. This animation that we are going to do right now is going to be very simple and everybody could do it, even without any knowledge in animation. To animate this game object, click on Add Component and type in Animation. After that, go to the Animation tab right here, and it says to begin animating, reload button, create an animation clip. So we need to do that first. Click on Create, and let's name it Reload Button Animation. Click on Save, and it will open up this window. The animation is going to be 1 second long, and we need to add key points. So make sure you take this red line and drag it to the beginning. And we want our game object to start exactly as it is now. Make sure our recording button is on. And then we want to retype this scale from 0.7 to 0.7 again. This will create a key point that will save these values. Halfway through the animation, so at 0.30, we want this object to become a bit bigger. So drag this red line to 0.30 and change the scale to 0.9 in both x and y axis. Now we are telling Unity that we want our object to go from this size to this size. And in order to make our animation loop, we want to finish it the exact same way as it started. So drag our red line to 1 and change the scale back to 0.7. Unity will automatically record these changes since the record button is on, and it will automatically create a keyframe. Once that you are done and happy with your animation, go back to Scene, and we can see that in our animation component we have not selected any animation clip. To do that, click on the little circle and select Reload Button Animation that we just created. Double click it to select. And make sure Play Automatically is also enabled. If we click play now, our button should be moving. Okay, that's nice, but it's only moving once. However, we want it to be in a kind of loop. To fix that, scroll down in the Project tab, and we can see that Unity made our animation appear in the Project tab. Once you select it, you can see a Wrap Mode option in the Inspector tab. Change it from Default to Loop, and this should make our object continuously scale up and down. Let's click on Play to find out if it works. That's it for now, and see you in the next lesson.